We are going to be looking at how to create a purchase invoice in QuickBooks. When you are logged in QuickBooks, your screen will look like this, and in order to upload your purchase invoice that you have in front of you on a piece of paper or on your computer, in order to get that into QuickBooks, you need to go to the plus new at the top left and click on Bill. This section will appear when you have clicked on Bill, and what you're going to do in here is basically fill out all the information that you have on the invoice that you have received from your supplier. So in this case, I am going to be entering my supplier name at the top left, which is, now I don't have them set up currently at the minute, so I need to set them up. So I'm going to add new. And this section on the right will appear, and they are called Food and Drink Wholesaler. And you can also fill in all the other information if you would like, but it's not necessary, so it's completely up to yourself whether you do this or not. And you just click Save. Once you've done this, it'll automatically fill it in for you, and it will be added on the list for the future. Then what you're going to do is you're going to enter the date of the invoice that you have received. So that is going to be, I'm going to put the 1st of November. And you're going to then enter what you have basically purchased. So in this case, I've purchased some drinks. So I'm going to select purchases. Now in this case, I don't have this category set up, so I'm going to add it. So if you click on Add New, and I'm just going to fill in all these details. So it's a cost of sale, and it is just cost of sale, and kept my name purchases, and that's the only 3 things that you need to fill in when you're adding a new category. You click Save and Close, and that will be automatically added onto the list for you here. So I'm then going to add a description. So I've purchased some drinks, and the amount is £137.93, and it's got VAT on it, so I'm going to select 20% VAT. And I'm just double checking to my invoice, it's come to £165.52. I'm also going to copy the description down to the memo, just so that that's helpful when I run some reports. And you're going to click Save and Close. Now that you've saved that, if you ever want to go back and say edit it or look back at what you've purchased, along the left hand side, if you go to expenses and suppliers, you can see that it is set it up here, and it's got a balance of £165.52, which is what we've just uploaded. So if you click on the name, there is the bill purchase invoice that we have just uploaded. And if you want to edit it or go back and change the memo or the description, you just need to click on the line somewhere, and you can just click into it. You can just do drinks ×2, change that, and then you would just click Save and Close again, and then that would update it for you.